some people say, oh, I love meditation so much because it makes me calm.
Do you need some more tables, Stephanie?
Yes, please.
I think we need to grab that one down. Okay.
โอเคพวกយើងมารวมគ្នាធ្វើសមាធិថ្ងៃនេះសមាធិអង្គុយរួចហើយដល់គ្នាដើរសមាធិបន្ទាប់មកចក្រមមិញយើងដើរមិញចក្រមចក្រមអូខេហើយបន្ទាប់មកយើងនឹងបញ្ចប់នៅកម្មវិធីសមាធិ
Something we want to point it out that a lot of you were walking with barefoot and some of you were walking with shoes. For those who are walking with the barefoot, as you notice, when you walk, you can feel, right? You can actually feel the ground and the grass and the rocks and everything. But even the rocks or anything sharp to your sole of your foot can be a reminder into how difficult or how easy life can be, right? So everything that we just experience outside is a reminder into what can happen in our daily life. Yes, some people walk differently, right? Some people don't do heel toe, heel toe. Some people just do heel, heel, heel. Or some people are, I don't know the other things about different walking, but we all walk differently. But this is a practice to keep mindfulness, and when you're walking, it doesn't matter what pace you're walking, or even when you're standing at Starbucks or something. You know, every moment that you're in, you're practicing mindfulness. You're aware of your situations that you're in. When you're walking, if you're walking with barefoot, and you feel the sensation in your foot, every step that you take on the ground, and every pressure that you put your weight onto your foot, right? If you're walking with shoes, you can feel the aroma outside, nature, the breeze, right? All of this is the breeze can be seen as something to cause unbalance in your life, right? So these are all characteristics through walking meditation that can help us be more mindful, be aware of how our daily life can be, or how each moment of our life can be. So maybe you would say.
Okay, so yeah, we have been practicing two kinds of Buddhist meditation already. As we've been started at the very first time is sitting meditation. So the whole idea is about learning to concentrate your mind, get your mind under your control, and be able to be aware of every situation, especially when we observing the breath. Be aware of the exhale and inhale. You know, as everyday life, we breathe in and breathe out every day, right? So just take exhale, inhale as the object for meditation, so that you can contemplate and be able to connect to your inside world. Because most of the time we only pay attention to the external world, but not the inside world within ourselves. So this is important how we can be able to have ourselves within this technique, and also we apply in the same way to the walking, because we also do walking in everyday life, and we also do sleeping. Sleeping also can apply mindfulness in our sleeping, and I found a lot of people whom I teach to now, because some of them were using the sleeping pill because they could not go to sleep well. So after teaching them the mindful breathing for their, before going to bed, they find it very helpful. Now some of them they quit using the sleeping pill. So you can apply this mindfulness, the way to observe your exhale and inhale before you go to bed. So it will help you, make you gain a sound sleep. And also standing meditation also is possible too. We just apply in the same way. So remember, this is only the technique that we can, kind of technique that you can apply on your daily basis, not just for sitting in a group, but sitting, anytime you find available at your home, at your workspace, or anywhere else, or on your bed, just use the same technique to help yourself. And then now finally we do the last one, is the metta or loving kindness meditation. Let me just 1 minute, okay? 1 minute we will share our peace and harmony, our goodness to all beings, sin no unseen. So, okay, now close our eyes for 1 minute. Okay, so just thinking in your mind by the power of good actions that you have accumulated today. May I be happy by the power of goodness that I have done. May I be happy. May I be liberated from physical suffering and mental suffering. May I be free from anger and enmity. May my parents, my friends, relatives be happy, be well, be liberated from physical suffering and mental suffering. May all beings in the whole universe, in every direction, in every corner of the world, live in peace and harmony. May all beings be free from danger and enmity. May they all live in peace and harmony. Tâm mọi những ni bạn lấy tập nuôi chặt tập trong này còn tất cả tương lai để dân bạn không phải sai và rồi thầy dân bạn chủ thật đẹp nên lấy tập tạm nhân viên trong một ni sớm ỏi người ta bị ta bọn âu tất cả là ăn trong tôi ta những vật tôi trai của bọn nhau tất ó và thì lấy tậpเรานายแนมเปิดออกแต่ยังบ้านต้องไปใช้សូមឲ្យសពតាទាំងអស់ត្រូវដោយសេចក្តីសុខដល់ជាការជាបានចង់ជាអស់ទេដើម្បីសពតាទាំងអស់មានតែសេចក្តីស្លាញ់មេត្តាករុណាដល់ជាមនុស្សដើម្បីសពតាទាំងអស់បានយ៉ាងពីសេចក្តីសុខខាងកាយបើចិត្តរងអនុមោទនាអូខេសាធុ
Is there anything we can help you prepare?
Yes.
Where do we want to?
Yeah, we're gonna move them in this area.
Yeah.
So there's 3 tables and you can have chairs around them.
Okay. Do you want the whiteboard here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Stay for the workshop?
Tao từng pin á.
If you'd like a chair, you can bring a chair to sit around.
Are we spacing out the tables? Okay. Someone can help bring the chairs over here? Push chairs out. We'll bring it right to these tables so we can all sit.
Sorry. Oops.
One more chair. One more chair right over here. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually. Oh, yeah. Let's leave that one to the side. Sorry about that. I mean, you can still sit on it.
Put it back.
We still have more chairs. Bring some new
Okay,
chairs.
we'll put this to the side. chairs back there too if we need them.
Okay, have a seat.
Feel free to choose a seat anywhere at any of these tables. We're going to maybe do a dry. Yeah. Oh, we gotta wait. Sorry.
Can you stop those little note cards? I thought I saw the note cards. Oh, okay. Can I see this real quick? Thank you. If anyone has any questions upon meditation or Buddhism, feel free to write these questions down on these postcards over here, and then write your email or your preferable contact, and then we can email you those answers back. And then just leave it underneath the pile. Is there enough chairs? Maybe we need more chairs.
I stand.
You can stand if you want.
Okay.
I was afraid I was blocking the way.
Yeah, there you go. I can pull aside. Okay, we're gonna do environmental project here, right?
I think it's green though. Oh. Are they leaving?
Yeah, we'll just leave it.
Dạ, muốn thằng này thì cái nào đấy. Thô thơ sợi.
Tôi vui.
Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. I'm a community member here and I also work for Seattle Parks and Recreation. And this is our second environmental health workshop, part of Satu for Green, an initiative that Venerable Prince and I are trying to start to increase environmental awareness in our Khmer community, connecting to both Buddhism and also how does Khmer culture already set a good foundation for caring about the planet and caring about Mother Earth. So this is our second workshop. Today we're focusing on waste and what kind of waste we produce here in the United States, and then where does our trash in Seattle go after it leaves our homes. And I have my colleague here to help us learn about where to sort trash and how we can reduce the amount of trash that we create. And it'll be an interactive activity, so I hope that you all are here with water and snacks in the back if you ever need. And we'll be here for maybe about an hour and a half, but feel free if you need to leave to head out. And I'm really happy that you're here, so thank you. You want to introduce yourself?
Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Joycelyn, and I work for ECOS, which is an environmental nonprofit organization, and we also work with Seattle Public Utilities. So today I'm super happy to be here with Stephanie to educate you all about sorting and waste and how to minimize waste in our daily lives. And I think Stephanie covered everything, but there was an incentive if you stay towards the end.
Yes.
We have presents to help you minimize waste and sort waste at home, so we hope everyone can stay included.
Yeah. We've got both reusable bags and also kitchen compost bins to help make the composting process easier. Maybe to start off, if we can just go around and if we could hear your name or how you'd like to be called today, and maybe something that you outside that brings you joy. So what outside brings you joy? So your name, and then doing something outside, or maybe something that lives outside that brings you joy. I can start, and then we'll go to Joycelyn, and then we'll move across the room this way. Okay? So my name is Stephanie. And something that brings me joy outside is hearing the birds in the springtime.
Again, I'm Joycelyn. I
1975.
You enjoy it. That's what you enjoy.
I enjoy it, and I've been introducing it in King County and City of Seattle since I got my first step in this region in 1980.
I'm Ben, and I enjoy marrying here in the national parks.
My name is TV, and what I enjoy most is living in a good environmental place, like where there is no much trash or people throwing something around which make bad smell. You know, I don't like to stay in such a place. So I would love to see good environmental living place. I hope the temple will be.
My name is Amara. Something that brings me joy is looking at the stars.
Hi, my name is Sok. I'm part of the member of the temple as well. I like clean area. I like to do my garden, do my own vegetable thing. I try, so I can see everything beautiful.
Okay, my name is Salim. I just come here to what you teach me today.
My name is Jenny, and I enjoy meditating outside during sunset.
My name is Chanti, and I am joined with everybody and have cleaned the temple.
Hi, my name is Nami. I love going hiking summer.
My name is Sano, and I love the fundamentals of basketball.
Outside.
Do you want to share your name and something that you enjoy outside?
My name is Prince. I enjoy walking and hiking.
Great. Thank you all so much for sharing. In your small table groups, we'll get to know each other a little bit more. And we just want to start off, if you can come around the table, there are markers and colored pencils, and I have crayons. And I just want to invite you in groups to draw on the paper your vision of a healthy neighborhood. So a healthy place where you want to live. What things would you want to have in your neighborhood? You can write in whatever language you'd like, English. You can draw. If you're not comfortable drawing, you can try to describe to someone else at your table who might want to draw. But just work together to create a healthy neighborhood on your paper. And you can use both papers or just one, depending on what you all decide. Okay, so we'll do that for the first 10 minutes. And feel free to chat and get to know each other at your tables before drawing. And that'll be our first activity. Okay?
Okay.
ស៊ីត្រូវហ្មងខាងកោះគូ
Some job and then some job and then project.